Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of Telegram app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.